Exploring the phrase, out there, a guide to understanding and using it. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that you might have heard quite often in conversations, out there. It's a versatile phrase, used in various contexts, and we're here to unpack its meanings and uses to help you feel more confident in understanding and using it in your daily English conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, out there, can be used in a very literal sense. When used this way, it refers to something being outside of a building or a space. For example, if someone says, the cat is out there, they mean that the cat is outside. In this usage, out there is quite straightforward and easy to understand. It contrasts with being in here, which would mean inside the building or space. Out there can also be used in a more figurative sense. In this context, it refers to ideas, people, or things that are unusual, bold, or unconventional. For instance, if someone has a really unique and unconventional idea, you might say, wow, that's really out there. It can also describe someone who is very open about their thoughts and feelings, and who does not conform to societal norms or expectations. For example, he's really out there, always speaking his mind and doing things his own way. The phrase, out there, is also commonly used in popular culture and media. You might hear it in songs, see it in movie titles, or read it in books. In these contexts, it's often used to evoke a sense of adventure, mystery, or the unconventional. Understanding these cultural references can help you grasp the nuance of the phrase and how it can be used in different contexts. Now that we've looked at the different meanings of out there, let's focus on how to use it in a sentence. For the literal sense, can you go check if the mail is out there? For the figurative sense, his fashion sense is really out there, but I love how unique it is. Practice using out there in sentences on your own, thinking about which meaning of the phrase fits best in different contexts. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, out there. We hope that this video has helped clarify the different ways this phrase can be used, both literally and figuratively. Remember, understanding the context in which it's used is key to grasping its meaning. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing your English and stay curious about the language. Happy learning!